Look what just came to TonnoFlip Shop. F150 2026 single cab. Guess what we're gonna be installing today at TonnoFlip Shop? The hard folding tonneau cover, because these customers don't wanna get the products wet. He don't wanna get the thing stolen. So he got here to TonnoFlip Shop. Stay here, look at the process. Remember, this is not just an online store. Look at this, all TonnoFlip products. All these trucks gonna get TonnoFlip today. Okay, so we just have to move this F150 to the other bay here because we got a lot of trucks here, a lot of things going on, guys. This is TonnoFlip Shop. We're gonna be doing a lot of products today. Look at all these trucks. TonnoFlip.com, remember, we are not just an online store. We've been doing this for 14 years, and this is proof, guys. The best product in the world. Nobody installed so many trucks like TonnoFlip Shop. Sorry guys, this is traffic control here. Traffic control. We're gonna have to move some things around here because we got a lot of trucks here. So let's see. We're gonna have to build a bigger shop. We're gonna be doing that soon. Look, we got the old lady here. We don't got no TonnoFlip products for this one, but we're doing some sound system on it. It's all right. We do everything for pickup trucks here. TonnoFlip Shop. Now we're gonna start the installation. Easy installation, guys. You just place the rails on top of the bed, use the clamps, easy, no perforations. This is a pretty installation, guys. Just place the tonneau cover on top of the rails, and that's it. We're about to be finished with this tonneau cover. You can see all these videos in our YouTube channel, TonnoFlip. You're gonna be able to install these. Any questions, any doubts, just contact us. We're gonna be here for you. TonnoFlip, working since 2011 here in Puerto Rico, now launching to the United States, March 2026. Look at these, guys. You need to take this off because it's only for shipping purposes. It looks ugly. Don't leave it on, guys. I've seen so many trucks out there with this on. Ugly. Don't do it. Let me see that flag. I know a lot of guys don't know why the American flag is backwards. Look at that. American flag. That's the Army flag. Always moving forward. And the flag is going to be backwards, remember. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how it works now. We took it outside to see the operation, how it looks, how it sits on it. Watch this. Okay, first of all, we have handles instead of a cable. Hard folding tonneau cover with aluminum panels. This is a very light tonneau cover, guys. Look at this one hand operation. Look at this beauty. TFP right here, American flag there. We have two prop rods, so you can drive with the cover fully open, even at highway speeds. Look at this. This is how it looks with the cover fully open. Let me close this up. Look at this. Now, we're gonna close it so you can see how it sits on this bed. Remember, F150 single cab 2026. We do every truck here, dozens of trucks every day, not just an online store, guys. We know what we're doing. We've been doing it for 14 years. We know the product. We have the customer service. Look, I want you to see how it looks on this F150. Completely flush, aluminum panels, lifetime warranty, and you're gonna be able to get it in March 2026 this year, guys. TonnoFlip.com. We're coming to Miami and we're coming hard. Look, TonnoFlip products since 2011 doing this. TonnoFlip.com.